change your life. No mask. Got it?
Fred here. You ever been disappointed looking for a car for $99.95? Don't have it, not in stock. You have to give up your phone. And though they we got one. We got
It's not bright enough.
We've also got a lot full of cars for under $200 a month. Check them out. 351auto.com.
Daddy, he's waiting.
For Superstore on the Dixie, right next to Walgreens in Ragland.
Drug cartels are using them to smuggle their goods into the United States. High-tech stuff.
You're using the wrong end.
Fucking blow.
Shipments, undetected. Colombian soldiers got a hold of this one over the weekend. Look at it. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but we're told it's air-conditioned, has room for a crew of 6, and about 8 tons of narcotics. Officials say if the first one they found
You can't see the bubbles.
submerging completely